AI is on a collision course with white-collar, high-paid jobs and with unknown impact. 1 in 5 American workers have a job with a high exposure to artificial intelligence, according to Pew Research Center. It's unclear if AI would enhance or displace those jobs. And I think you know what's going on right now, okay? There's no question about that. Absolutely no question. And it's white collar workers, the individuals that are trying to build things. Those jobs are coming. They're doing the factory workers. You're looking at Walmart, you're looking at Amazon. All these big fulfillment centers are using robots. Why? Because they're more efficient. They work 24 hours a day. They do their thing. And that's it. They're happening now. They're being put in, the systems are put into place. You have a problem because if they lay people off, they're not going to bring them back.